Our week of very busy weather continues here. We kick things off today with strong winds across much of Kern County, including here in Bakersfield. But now our attention is shifting to the rain that's going to be heading our way. Let's get a look at the radar here. Not terribly impressive right now. We didn't expect much in the way of rain during the daytime hours today, but you can see that little bit of light rain is getting a little closer to Kern County, and we're going to start to see our first wave of moisture as we head through the night here. So as we head toward 10, 11, midnight, starting to see that rain affecting at least parts of Kern County. Not for us here in the valley, though. With these gusty winds, I think our rain shadow is going to hold until early tomorrow morning. By early tomorrow morning, here's 4 a.m. I'm showing you. We're looking at pretty widespread rain across Kern County and very heavy rain all the way up from about Fresno down to L.A. This is going to be much more than just Kern County. Heavy rain expected for pretty much all of California. Now, we're going to start to see things weakening a bit, starting to clear out as we head toward the mid-afternoon hours tomorrow from west to east. Still some good amount of activity here in eastern Kern, but as we get into the evening, I think we're going to see a decent break. Still a couple lingering showers, as you saw. We could even see some rumbles of thunder, hear some rumbles of thunder, rather, as we head into the day tomorrow. But we'll get a little bit of a break Christmas Eve night. Into Christmas Day, though, that's when that next wave of rain arrives. That is not going to be as heavy as the rain that is going to be moving in for Wednesday, but still lingering activity expected all the way into the day on Friday. So a very long-lived series of storms here. We're going to have a lot to track, and we're going to get a lot of rain from these storms. Here's latest estimates of storm total rainfall through Friday, and I think this model does a pretty good job. I think we're looking at most likely about 1 inch to 2 inches here in the valley, anywhere from about 1.5 inches to 3 in the desert, 2 to 4 in the mountains, and then the South Mountains, places like Pine Mountain Club, Fraser Park, Lebec, the Grapevine area, could actually even see over 4 inches of rain. So flooding is definitely a possibility here. A flood watch in effect for all of Kern County. In the valley, things like flooding of low-lying areas and poor drainage areas possible. But as you get to the higher terrain and even over in the desert, things like washed-out roads and, of course, things like rocks through the canyon, very possible. Now, initially, not expecting too much in the way of snow with this. Snow levels very high to start out, but by Thursday night, those snow levels drop to around 6,000 feet. So some of our higher points in Kern start to get into a little bit of that snow. And then towards the tail end of this system, I think snow levels potentially as low as about 4,500 feet. So could see a little bit more snow. Keep in mind by that point, it's not heavy rain, so just some occasional snow showers there. Snow is less of a concern. I don't really think it has a big travel impact. It really is the rain over the next several days. That is going to be what we're focusing on. Again, 100% chance of rain for us here tomorrow. In fact, 100% chance of rain for everybody in Kern County. That heaviest band of rain moving through early in the day. Some clearing into Christmas Eve night before that second wave of rain, moves in as we head toward Christmas Day and into Friday. Some signs that we could even see a little bit of lingering activity into the weekend. But again, the bulk of the rain is going to be falling over the next 72 hours. 7-day forecast for the rest of Kern County. Same story there. Again, it's widespread rain all across Kern and really all across California for the next 3 days. You do notice mountain communities, as I mentioned, temperatures a little bit cooler as we head toward Friday night. Could get some snowflakes there. But again, it's not so much snow we're concerned with. It's going to be the rain that has the biggest impacts on travel.